My name is Matt Crabbe. I'm Crabbe Aviation LLC, and we're in the aerial application business and low-level survey work. Today what we're doing, we're performing aerial cover crop seeding. We're going over top of existing crops such as corn, soybeans, and we are actually dropping seed from the air into the canopies of the current fields, which will start growing within a matter of weeks and keep something growing on the ground. Then the farmer will come in and harvest the crop. They still have something that's growing on the ground. The reason for that is for erosion control and to help with leaching in the ground. What they're after is to have nitrogen retention, and this really helps that immensely. Matter of fact, it holds quite a bit of nitrogen in the ground for the farmer for the following year, which in turn will reduce the amount of product that he has to put down to grow a successful crop. My aircraft, the one that I'm flying today, has got is air tractor, 680 shaft horsepower on the front, and it will carry quite a bit of payload. With seeding, it depends on the poundage you're putting out and the type of product you're applying. You know, most cases we'll apply 20 to 100 acres per load. You know, you're going about 120, 130 miles an hour. We both have moving maps, and both aircraft have screens in them. We can tell where we've been, where we've sprayed, or where we've actually applied product. It paints on the screen. It lets us review our job after we're done. Let's say I'm running let's call it a 60-foot swath today. That will move me over 60 feet after every pass. It has a light bar on it. You just line them up, come on in there. The one I'm flying today has an accuracy down to a ½ inch. I've been in the business most of my life. I've been doing it for a living for the past 15 years. We do get quite a bit of phone calls. People are curious mostly as to what we're doing. They'll call the FAA, they'll call the local police departments, and if people have never seen crop dusting before, it is a sight to see. But what I can say in most cases, when you see a yellow aircraft with a blue stripe like this one, we're not out joyriding, and we're not out having fun, and we're not trying to, let's see some of the comments I've heard, chase your horses, hit your chimney. I'm not trying to do any of that. We're actually highly professional, highly trained pilots.